based off of Twitter, right? Okay. Big Zulu Imali Eningi is the first South African song to become a national hit off of TikTok. So what you see has happened is that we have shifted from social media being able to influence hits coming from Twitter. So the last Twitter created hit was Poisa, you know what I mean? That was a Twitter sensation, you know what I mean? But it was a terrible song, so it didn't even last. It didn't even last on radio, and like now this December, like we forget, it's not even playing anymore. You know what I mean? Poisa, remember Poisa? So we're looking at TikTok now, and Imali Eningi in this Dujuzane challenge, you know what I mean? That's TikTok. That's the first time we're seeing now what TikTok can do. And we're also going to be seeing a lot more of TikTok in the dance culture, because TikTok is very much a dance thing, you know. So, you know, I came back from the States a couple years ago, having downloaded TikTok, and I was like going crazy about this TikTok app. TikTok, yo, this is going to change everything. As soon as it hits South Africans, and South Africans are really going to use it and exploit it and abuse it. And it's really taken off. You know, it's really taken off. Fuck. Ah, man. I hate this. So, you know, so now the way in which TikTok is becoming more influential, you know, you're gonna need a TikTok team. You know, like people have got like their Twitter influencers now. You're gonna need like a TikTok promo team. You know what I mean? People that actually create TikTok content for your songs. Now, the things that you can make a hit off TikTok, and it can be an instantaneous hit. Just like Lil Nas X's song was made a hit off of TikTok. You know, that was the first like hit that TikTok made. You know, and music is very influential in all of these platforms, as you guys can see. You know what I mean? That's what draws people to these platforms. Music is what draws people to these platforms. So Lil Nas X, you know, was independent and everything, but then he got signed by Columbia. Columbia was then able to take that song and use their label services and everything else to make sure that it's a 20-week long number one on the Billboard charts. You understand what I'm saying? So they were able to take a hit and make sure that it's marketed well, it's played on radio. They've got a Billy Ray Cyrus remix. They're on the, you know, they're doing the promo run and everything. They spent a lot of money, spent millions of dollars. You know what I mean? After that song, it's not like that song was just making money. No. They spent money on that song. They promoted it. They made sure that the kids did it. You know what I mean? They went to schools and everything. You know, they shot multiple videos. They would release the video on YouTube every week. You know what I mean? So they did a lot to make sure that they give that song a long tail so that it's a hit that keeps generating money long into the future. You know. I don't know what you're talking about taking downstream of other artists. I don't know how you can't pay to take downstream of other artists. I don't know. So, you know, that's how they kept the long tail on that Lil Nas X song. So that's exactly what's happening now with Big Zulu Imali Eningi. Imali Eningi is now going to become number one song on radio now, like this coming week and everything else. You know what I mean? And it's still going to continue. You know. That's where you're going to see how you maintain a sensation and make sure that it's done well. The difference between Imali Eningi and Doc Shebeleza, the label services part of Doc Shebeleza was not done well. So that's why it ended up not being nominated at the Summers, because it didn't get the radio play and everything else. They thought that just because it's a hit on social media and everything else, that should determine everything. And that's not how it works. You need to make sure that you do it all round. You need to make sure that you're big on TV, you're big on radio, you're big on every single platform, you're big on Shazam, you understand what I'm saying? You're streaming well, everything. And that's basically, the thing that you guys need to be looking out for. I'm clashing with Slicker. Come on, man. Okay, let me let you guys go to Slicker, man. He does his thing. Alright, man. Peace out. Hope you got some knowledge.